said, imagination is more important than knowledge. So true. It is imagination and curiosity that fuel the progress of science. Welcome to PWAT Science Exhibition 2024-25, where the 3-day event celebrates scientific exploration. Over 180 schools from across Mumbai participated in the event, hosted by St. Xavier High School, Goregaon. The theme this year is Science and Technology for Sustainable Future, offering a platform for young minds to showcase their innovative ideas. Here are the glimpses. Share a message for all the students at the importance of science at a young age.
We are organizing PWAT Science Exhibition at St. Xavier's High School. We are very much thankful and graceful to Madam Grace Pinto and Snehal Pinto Madam for giving us this institution of St. Xavier's High School. PWAT Science Exhibition is a regular event every year where 100 schools are participating. And there are around 234 projects displayed this year. Science is an important subject where students have to show their curiosity, and we encourage on behalf of Education Department and PWAT Science Exhibition Co-Curricular Activities Committee to all the students and teachers to present their innovative projects during this PWAT Science Exhibition.
पी वार्ड जो है बीएमसी का सबसे बड़ा वार्ड है। मुझे जानकर बड़ी प्रसन्नता है कि यहाँ पर करीब 300 से ज़्यादा जो है एग्जिबिट्स यहाँ प्रदर्शित हो रहे हैं। तो मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं बच्चों के लिए। जैसा कि आप जानती हैं, विज्ञान तो हमारे खेत खलिहानों से लेकर के चूल्हे चौके तक हर जगह पहुँच गया है। तो विज्ञान और तकनीकी के बिना तो हम जीवन की कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते। तो मेरी शुभकामनाएँ हैं सभी बच्चों को कि वह बेसिक साइंस में अपनी एजुकेशन को, खास करके हायर एजुकेशन को परस्यू करें, क्योंकि आने वाला समय जो है विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी का ही होगा।
This robot can do anything for old people.
With the help of esophagus, it goes to the stomach, and in stomach we are having one enzyme which helps to digest and goes to the small intestine.
Science is not only about finding facts and new inventions and discoveries. It is also about life. It is about your attitude. This is about 3 W's. What is happening around us, why it is happening, and how it is happening. ये दृष्टिकोण अगर बच्चे रखते हैं तो वो न सिर्फ अपने आसपास की होने वाली घटनाओं को बेहतर तरीके से समझ पाएंगे, बल्कि जीवन को भी बेहतर तरीके से समझ पाएंगे। ऐसा मेरा मानना है।
It is very nice that students study science from a young age. Of course, some of them will then be inspired to go ahead and become scientists. Some of them will like to work in technology. They might discover technologies in the future. But most importantly, it is good that all people, all citizens have a scientific outlook. It helps not only in doing science, but also helps in solving other problems in life. And this actually builds up an entire holistic education for the student, in addition to knowing about other things in the world.
We are in the era of industrial 5.0, where new technologies, augmented reality, then artificial intelligence. So many new things are there. Robotics we are not talking. So in that case, I think students are getting an opportunity to understand all these things. And similarly, now our science education, it's a multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary. So STEM and STEAM education is also another focus. And we have to look any concept in that angle. That means take any concept, what sort of science is there, in what sort of technology involved, what sort of art integration we can do in that. Engineering aspect also we have to think in that.
Please tell us about the workshop you conducted today.
The workshop today I conducted was basically on human nutrition. Okay, human nutrition matlab it deals with our basic needs of the body. Okay, that is necessary for the mental and physical growth of all the children.
Students were very nice and it was literally enjoyable. Students got to learn new skills like Vedic mathematics, how to remember the formula, how to use shortcut in mathematics, and they had little bit difficulties in their basic mathematics, and we tried to solve those difficulties.
Science is a field which helps us understand the world around us. Now we live in a world where we are surrounded by many things. If we are not able to understand what is going on, it will be very difficult, because we at this age are born with technology. टेक्नोलॉजी ने हमें इतना ओवर पावर किया है कि हम आज 5 मिनट के अलावा मोबाइल देखे बिना रह नहीं सकते, राइट? So science helps understand the world around us, what is going on. Besides, we have many applications which are working on science.
If you try to understand the basic concepts of science, science gives you wings. You want to make your career in data science, you want to make your career in artificial intelligence, you want to go for any kind of engineering, pharmacy, you want to go for medicine, you want to go for doctor, whatever you want to become. Obviously up to 12th ka science ka part is very much important for the students, and that's why they need to understand why they need to take science. Listen, we have lots of career options. A student can take commerce, arts as well as science, but if you are creative enough, if you have the enough learning ability, आपको सोचने पे मजबूर करता है साइंस की एग्जैक्टली कोई चीज़ क्यों हो रही है, कैसे हो रही है. दैट्स वाई साइंस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो व्हाट आई विल से कि अदर फील्ड्स गिव्स यू करियर, बट साइंस गिव्स यू करियर विथ विंग्स.
My suggestions to all student or learner is that try to understand the natural phenomena, because science is nothing but it's a understanding of the nature, and for that you have to understand the scientific process in which you can ask questions, then observe critically, then do the experiment. Try your best to read more about any natural phenomena.
They should be more career oriented, and what they want to do, whether it may be arts, commerce or science, let pursue their dreams and channelize their whole energy towards that dream. And every aspects of science or every aspects of their dreams can be a good property of our country.
The students very enthusiastically displayed various different projects. They came up with good ideas. Maybe they can do better for the future, but the students will have to be continuously working on these ideas so that they can do better the next time they come around.
सब ने बहुत मेहनत की और बहुत इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ उन्होंने डिस्प्ले किए हैं अपनी एग्जीबिशंस में, एंड आई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ईच एंड एवरी टीम.
Would like to thank Chairman Sir and Managing Director Madam for this opportunity of hosting the P-Word Science Exhibition 2024-25. On behalf of our school, we would like to thank all the dignitaries for gracing the event with their presence. Hearty congratulations to all the participants and winners. You have truly showcased the power of imagination and science to create a better future. On that note, this is YJ Bhavya and this is YJ Manasvi signing off for Young Journals on Ryan TV.